The story of Shiverham Hall. Shiverham Hall.
Okay.
Shiverham Hall was a hotel for ghosts.
Oh, okay. Is it real? Is it actually real? Dirty soul. Okay.
Most ghosts come from the spirit world to be greeted by Shiverham spooky staff.
Okay.
There were 22 ice-cold bedrooms, a poltergeist-powered jacuzzi, and a string-quartet playing Huntington tunes.
Okay.
One day, two guys
Teruskan.
one day, one guy named Slade go to the hotel, want to build a new hotel like for people. Slade ni dia orang betul.
Oh, okay. So nobody can stay in the ghost hotel. Okay.
And then Slade got disturbed by the ghost to macam nak halau dia. Hantu tu nak halau dia.
Okay.
But Slade doesn't scared.
Okay. Okay lagi.
But it make Slade.
What happened to Slade?
Huh?
Slade, what happened?
Slade doesn't scared at all.
Okay.
But want to build lagi nak buat
Want to build another?
macam nak buat lagi hotel tu, dia tak takut pada
Want to build another hotel. Okay.
One day Auntie Mabel dia macam makcik Slade tu, tapi dah meninggal.
Okay.
Dia datang she
Ghost.
come
Okay.
come
The spirit of the aunt Slade. Okay.
she came to Slade and Slade was like scared
Oh,
to the
okay.
auntie, and Slade dia balik, dia tak nak dia buat. He doesn't want to.
What the Auntie Slade tell to him?
She said she want to live with Slade, and then Slade was like scared.
Oh, the auntie want to sleep with Slade.
Nak stay.
Oh, stay maksudnya nak duduk sama-sama. Hantu auntie dia tu.
Dia nak duduk kat hotel baru tu.
Okay.
And then Slade was scared, and then he ran and
he ran from that place.
yeah.
And not come back anymore. Oh, okay. So it's the lesson learned. Salam. Don't scare to ghost. We need to scare to Allah, right? Yes. Lagi. Tu maklimah punya apa? Apa dia?
Dah.
Dah. Thank you. Alright, that's all. Okay, good. Okay, thank you Zaura.